I am so stuck on you that I strongly believe that only death can separate us. Each moment I find myself thinking about you and us. Not only do you give reasons for me to smile, but you also give meaning and inspiration to my life. You are my person and my future. Honey, dear Hon, you know that you are one in a million, right? That is why I will never let you go. You have my heart, so no one can take your place. Is a satisfied and complete because you are with me. Thank you for being with me through good and bad times. You are the you are my sunshine that always brightens my day. I have never loved anyone as deeply as you. Words are not enough to express my feelings for you. Always remember that nothing can change the way I feel about you. When we first met, I was drawn to your dazzling eyes and beautiful smile. Never, never Nevertheless, as I got to know you, I realized that I am falling for the goodness of your heart. You are an amazing human, my angel. I am so happy that you are mine. I am scared of what love does to people. I have seen it in friendship and relationships in the past. I have seen it make people hate one another. I have seen sadness, anger, violence, and a lot of pain consumed by love. But with you, I don't see that. All I see is joy, happiness, fun, and peace. I don't know why we agree. I mean, what's there to even fight about? I just really love being with you. When I look at you, I see someone that completes me. You are everything that I could ever want in another person. You have shown me that true love does exist and that I can find it in myself to love another person. I love you, baby. I wonder what it is about you that makes me love you as much as I do. Could it be your eyes? They are so beautiful that they could bring nations to their knees. Could it be your hair so luxurious and enchanting that it could make a powerful emperor become a fool? Or maybe it's your smile, that beautiful green that shines brighter than the sun. It could be anything really, but I think it's your personality. It's so beautiful, kind, and caring that it makes me love you as much as I do. You know, they say that the stars are just the sun's atoms. Years later, when they have burnt out, I think that you and I are like the stars from far away. We are just two people, but up close, anyone can see that we are much, much more. I saw a quiet one that said deep breaths cause shallow thoughts. I think deep thoughts cause shallow breaths. Whenever I think about you, I tend to forget to breathe. That's how I know I am head over heels for you. You have brought meaning to my life. Before I met you, every day was dull and boring, but when I saw you for the first time, I knew that life was going to be a lot more fun from then on out. I am glad you came into my life. I love you. I feel so happy when you are around. I feel so at easy and counted. I feel like everything's going to turn out okay as long as you are with me. I cannot imagine what my life would be like without you. You have made me the happiest man on the planet.